Good evening, classmates and tutor. I am Ingrid Guerrero. The company I closed was Labriger Norsan Ltda, a company that seeks excellent quality its nowhere products. It was approximate area of 7,400 square meters, products online. To hit the triple over those workers for the region with a hit sentence of blogging. Eura get the hit human quality of the administrator, along with these are often a finished product of excellent quality. The latter that was significant the contamination that the residents of the sector are receiving. What What is proposed is a contact expert in environmental lab external engineer ops consulted or find a solution the problem. Otherwise, legal measures will be taken to guarantee the health of the inhabitants.